Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope everything is fine. Now today we are going to do complete and symmetric figures. Look at the example here. Now this line given here is the line of symmetry. Okay, we know the line of symmetry, isn't it? So I would say imagine that this line of symmetry is a mirror. For example, a mirror. You know, a mirror where you stand in front and then you see yourself when you get ready to go outside, right? The mirror. Imagine this line is a mirror. Now let's see let's see the steps. Mark the corners of the figure and number all the marking in an anti-clockwise direction. So this is anti-clockwise, this is anti-clockwise, this is clockwise. So this way. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is one corner, this is one corner, another corner, another corner, another corner, another corner. Mark the corners according to the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and then step 2, count the numbers of squares from the line of symmetry to each marking. That means this is the line of symmetry I told you is a mirror. So this 2, the point 2 will be, must be like, this is 1, 2 squares. So from the other side it will be 1, 2 square, the 2. Okay, for example 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, so if from the line of symmetry 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 will be after 4 squares. So mark a similar marking on the other side. So they have done 2 and 5, so we can do, I will do for you the other markings. This is 3, right? And then this is 4. So I have done the similar marking. Now I have completed the similar marking from the other side. That is, this one is 1, 1 is same because it's on the same point. There is no movement from 1 and 6. So it's on the line, on the mirror. When the point is on the mirror, there is no more change, no more counting of the squares. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a similar marking on the other side. So I have done all the markings, and let's see okay, that's 6. And let's see, join all the markings together in the correct order. That means from 1 to 2. See, from 1 to 2 you must come, from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and then 5 to 6. Now see, this is the one. Look, see, this is the one. When you complete it, so the symmetric figure is completed. Now this is the line of symmetry, the mirror, I said the mirror line, and then now there is 2 identical side which can overlap each other without any deviation. So that figure is symmetrical, right? Look, let's do this one. Now this figure, what is the first step? Number all the corners of the figure from 1 to anti-clockwise. So let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anti-clockwise, done. So put the similar marking on the other side, this side. Imagine this is the mirror line. The mirror line is called line of symmetry, right? So similar marking, that means 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay, and then 3. So 1, 1, 1 again. 5 is 1, 2. So 1, 2. 6 is in the same place. Now I will start drawing. I will join the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see, if I join it like that. Now when you draw, you can draw with ruler, this line much straighter than what I have drawn here. Okay, it should be very straight like this. Now you can try the exercise here. Thank you.